Guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a review of Anki's Cozmo. It's a really cool robot. And yeah, I'm just letting him charge right now. Haven't used this thing in a while. But yeah, let's start. Each Cozmo or whatever you
accessories.
Like Vector is pretty much the same thing, but more like advanced. We have these cubes right here. Sorry if my voice sounds weird. It's just I'm kind of sick and I feel like I'm losing my voice. But yeah, that's pretty much what everyone comes with. But I'll show you what else I have. Oh, you could buy like custom wheel colors, like black, red, blue, green, and yellow. The one I have right now, I have blue and red, which is pretty cool. But when this thing is done charging, I'll show you what it can do. So, peace.
Time to test him out with my dog. Here we go. What's up? There's my dog. Hi. Oh, I think I scared him. Well, looks like he isn't a fan of Cozmo. Well, that was the